Ooh, baby. Yes, sir, boys and girls. It's Barry the big buck hunter here. Watching the fireworks. Look at that. Yes, sir. It's beautiful, I tell you. Right over the Republic of Upton. As you can tell, I got a smudge going too. The mosquitoes so bad, but yep, I'll put the fire out before I go back. Oh, there's a little baby buck on the Shelly. She's down there too. Yep. Ooh, baby. Isn't that something? Pretty amazing, I tell you. Got a lot of smoke going on in front of me. Sort of blurring it out. I could put the fire out. Woo, baby. So this is Canada Day in New Brunswick, Canada. You can see the Republic of Upton, the little lights flashing over top of underneath the fireworks, I guess. Yeah, that's what it is, underneath. Yeah. There's a beautiful one. Sitting on a dock right now. Sorry, look at that. See the reflection of the water. Yeah, it's amazing, I tell you, amazing. Ooh, baby, the lights on my camera are sort of getting the bugs in my face. Good thing I got a smudge going here. Yeah, yes, sir. Make sure we put the fire out before I go back up the house. Ooh, baby. This is Oromocto's fireworks. Oromocto, New Brunswick, Canada. Yep, Canada Day. I got a flag over there on the Republic too. It's hard to see, but it's dark out. Yep. Well, I can feel my arm covered with flies right now. Oh, that was look like Saturn. You know, really, there is no planets in the. Ooh, what was that one? That was loud. Siree. Yep. So pretty. Oh, big heart right there. Ooh. Yeah. Well, I might have to move because the bugs are eating me alive. I could get little Shelly to do some videotaping for a few minutes, maybe. Yeah, I'm just thinking she could do that. Ooh, that was pretty. There's another one. I'm gonna have to put this down closer. I don't know how long these are.